Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping fresh vegetables so textures stay crisp. Shred the cabbage thinly and grate carrots for quick dressing absorption. Once the veg is ready, combine cabbage, carrots, and scallions in a large bowl. Add a tiny amount of the chopped Scotch bonnet to taste. Make a simple dressing. Squeeze 1 lime, whisk 1/4 cup mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard and a pinch of salt. Mix a small spoonful of sugar to balance acidity. Toss lightly to coat. Now you layer Jamaican flavor deliberately. Pour 1 tablespoon white vinegar into the dressing and add 1 tsp sugar, which rounds the sharp edges. Sprinkle 1 tsp dried thyme to echo island aroma. Once done mixing, fold the dressing into the bowl in sections so every shred gets coated without turning soggy. Taste and adjust heat. If it's too hot, make a small mayonnaise-thinned rescue by whisking extra mayo with lime. If flat, a splash more vinegar brightens the mix instantly. Finish by transferring the coleslaw to a covered container and refrigerate 30 to 45 minutes so the flavors marry and the dressing relaxes. Before serving, toss again to redistribute any settled dressing and taste for final seasoning. If the slaw becomes too wet, strain off excess liquid and add a bit more shredded cabbage to restore crunch. Troubleshooting. If it's too spicy, you can calm it with 2 tablespoons sour cream or extra mayonnaise. If too bland, a squeeze of lime fixes it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.